Hello everybody, my name is Shaden Weiss. I haven't been uploading YouTube videos in a while, but I've been busy and stuff, and I'm probably not, this is going to probably be the only video I'm going to upload in forever. But this is for educational purpose only. This is for future high school students that decide to pick up tech ed, engineering, around engineering. I took it this year. I'm going to do an educational video of how to, if you decide to pick up how to make a guitar, how to make a cigar box guitar. That's what I did. So I'm going to show you what I did. So here is the project that I did. It's a fully functional 6-string electric guitar. Now, it works and everything. So I'm going to first start out with the main box. Now you can use any sort of box, preferably wood. Wood would definitely work. It would be more better for you guys to use. But it doesn't really matter what size, as long as it's like this, not circled or anything. But I used a 6x60, it looks like. I don't know if that's the dimensions or not, but I used that. So what I did was I kind of put a latch on here so that way it doesn't open when I'm strumming my guitar and everything. But I'm going to show you the inside of it. So what I did was I cut a piece of wood. This is scrap wood. Put it up here for the support of the neck. So what you did was you put it in here. You cut it in this perfect size that fits in here. You cut it in here. Now it might move on you. So what I did was you should screw it in on both sides so it doesn't move. And then next, I kind of lined up for the neck. You line the neck up in here. I kind of cut into the lid of the box so the neck can fit in smoothly. The neck I got this from a guitar shop. If you know a buddy of yours that owns guitars and stuff, ask him if he's got a guitar neck. To me, I think he would help you. He might not, but this is a guitar neck I got from a guitar shop. I got it for like $25. Don't know how much they're gonna really charge you, but and then so what I did was got that. You put this piece of wood in here. You would line up your neck to make it centered, and then what you do is you cut a hole in the lid for the neck, and then what you do is you get the scrap that's inside. You measure where your neck's gonna lie. Then you sand that down to where the neck mark is. You're gonna sand that down smoothly. Then you're gonna install the neck. So what I did was I pumped one of the bridge metal pieces off, and I screwed it in. I'll show you. Right there, I popped the metal piece off, and I screwed it in. You can also, now it's gonna be flimsy, it's gonna move on you. Well, you should definitely do this before you apply that. There's epoxy you can get. It dries really quick. It's fiberglass, so you can do that, and it works like a charm. This is what I use for this guitar. The neck does not move or anything. And the next, it's kind of really your solid parts of the guitar. Make sure the whole thing's got tuners. The struggles are you got to find a bridge piece and a tail piece. The tail piece is the one that holds the strings, the bridge is that supports the strings. So you're going to have to find a tail piece and a bridge, or you can make one. What we did was we drilled holes for the 6 strings, and we just kind of got a tail piece from a box of tail pieces from a guitar shop, and the guy gave it to me for free. Then you're going to have to get electrical parts. You're going to need a pickup, volume key, and a jack. Jacks, I got charged like $4 for a jack, but it works. It's a completely working guitar. It's a simple and easy step guitar. But yeah, that's really all you have to do. If you got any questions, just comment on my YouTube video, and I'll respond to you as quick as I can. To get the electrical parts, you might have to buy them online or get you were asking your buddy for some. But other than that, that's how it is. That's how you make an electric guitar cigar box. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to do something new, and it becomes a really good video. I might do more tutorials on music, guitars, or music making itself. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.